I'm on the up and up, you see the level up. Don't feel the pressure much, they still catching up. I bounced back a couple times, it's the triple up. My bounce back got my stats looking ridiculous. Looked at my life and said I'ma have everything I want. Front line with my grind, yeah, I'm G.I. Joe. I ain't holding nothing back, I'm all I stun. The arsenal on my hustle, got some big guns. Big business, good business, yeah, it's always that. Double checking on the check, making sure that's fat. See my past, calling, told her I call her back. Plumber man on these tracks.
Day dose. We out here, still at the ranch. But look at these cute little cabins that they used to have back in the day that they rented out to people, but now they just use them as like prop buildings. But they're actual real live cabins. There's a bed and a stove over there and a barrel. I don't know what they use that for. This is like a real live ranch that actual ranchers used to come and where it's in the mountains, they used to come and like stay at when they would be out here doing ranch stuff. It's a lot of snakes and wildlife out here, but it's beautiful. Gotta watch my step, because you just never know. You said you what? Hey.
What's up, YouTube?
I'm out here in the woods.
No, I'm just trying to perform my hypergamy right now. Put my shot out there. I'm looking for me a very strong, independent black woman who want to take care of somebody. You know what I'm saying? Hey.
Trey up on his hypergamy lingo. He don't want to be in these streets no more. And I hate it here. So he out here looking for a woman that can take care of him. And he said he ain't too proud to beg. And he willing to be a house husband. Requests and R&B songs. Yeah, okay. All right, y'all. So I am on set. This is my last day of working. And then tomorrow I get a little break, and then I have a job on Wednesday, and then I am done for the remainder of November, and I'm so freaking excited. Ripping and running. That's one of the vans, production vans. Yeah, so I literally am waiting it out. Today we are in Laguna Beach. Right near the beach, actually, and we have like I have like a makeshift craft service set up because they have 5 different locations today, which means I have just a really small, very small craft service set up, along with having transitional baskets inside of each van. There's 3 vans, so I have coolers in each van and have baskets in each van, so that while they're driving around to each location, they still have access to snacks and so on and so forth. I tried to make it as easy on myself as possible because I didn't want folks calling me, asking me, can I bring this, can I bring that? They are about 20 minutes away from the base campus where we're set up now, 20 minutes away from where we are right now. So I was not trying to be out and driving in this hilly Laguna Beach area. So I made sure to stock them up with everything they would need while they were out. So I'm chilling at base camp. Let me show y'all the craft service table. Like I said, this is a really small, just a table that I can easily break down and go because the crew is not here. This is really just for people who are coming back to like get things from the production office, or you know, when they come back for lunch to grab some things before they head back out to finish the shoot off. So let's look at the craft service table so that you guys can see that when your crew is not actually working near where you're set up, that you still can, you know, do a little something on the table. Like they told me that I didn't have to set up a table, but I did anyway. They wanted just baskets, so I did both. What am I gonna do with all the snacks just sitting in my car? I might as well put them on the table, and as people come back and forth, they can grab and go. So, all right, so this is my little transitional table with snacks on it. Just a small setup for the people who are coming back and forth, and then the cooler. I have some drinks in there, and we have a generator today because we don't have G&E here with us, so we're just using a generator to keep coffee and hot water going. Now, on another note, did y'all see that doggone Tesla truck? See, this is what happens when you buy somebody else's intellectual property. When you purchase a business that you are not the creator of, and then you're expected to produce products and you have no idea what the hell you doing. And that Tesla truck was an abomination. Even Stevie Wonder could see that that was an absolute fail. Fail, 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 fail. Like, that truck looked like what people back in the 70s thought the future looked like. That Tesla truck was all elbows. That's all I saw was a bunch of hard angles. I ain't never seen a car with that many angles on it. It looked like a freaking hexagon. All right, you guys, so we are still out here. Who, me? Mm-mm. I try to not have a walkie ever. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. It looks so awesome. The sun is glistening on my face, but it's like a little path, and you can like go walk and hike down here. So I'm gonna show you guys the little path down to the beach. It's called Crystal Cove. Isn't that awesome? I've never been here before. Like, I didn't even know that this area of the beach existed. We've been to another part of the beach down here in Laguna where it's more of a hiking trail, but this is the first time that we have come down here. You can ride bikes and stuff. Like, this is so cool. Like, you want to get in touch with nature, just come to Crystal Cove Beach and you can get in touch with nature. You can come down here and ride your bike, you can hike, you can walk or run, or just sit down and sightsee. Well, watch your step, because your ass will fall down in the hole. All right, y'all, so we are wrapped. I'm about to pull up and see how much time it's gonna take for me to get home. Hopefully it is nothing crazy, because I am tired. The freeway is right here, so shouldn't be too crazy.
You see the level up. My bounce back got my stats looking ridiculous. See the level up.